Hey everybody. Now I have already talked about the URL in technical module. I'm just adding it as a reminder here. So make sure the URL that you have on the landing pages or the URL for your blog post are search engine or keyword optimized. Here's an example of a bad URL, which means if you look at this, this is from a site that says .com/northatlanta-ga.php. They don't have any key phrase, they don't have any optimization in this particular URL. So I found this website on maybe page 20 of Google under the search phrase carpet cleaning. But then here's one that ranks on page 1. This is one of the factors, of course. As you can see, it says right here, whatever the name of the company is, pros.com/residential-services/carpet-cleaning. So this is the way you must add URLs to your website for every single service page, for every single blog post that you add. And for a detailed training, please go back to the technical module and you'll see a video that talks about this more in detail about the URLs. But for now, if you remember that, this is just a reminder that make sure when it comes to your on-page optimization, you also add a keyword optimized URL or the address to the landing page. So that'll help you rank high in search engines. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.